Kavesio is the way you show an intention to somebody that I want to dance with you. When you enter a social floor, I'm talking about a traditional dance floor. All the leaders will be made to sit on one side. All the followers will be made to sit on the other side in a big hall. So now I'm sitting here, okay? The music plays. Oh, I feel like, oh, maybe I want to dance with him. I slightly catch his eye, and he looks at me. I'm the leader, okay? That's it. Very discreet. So I need to gauge if this person is interested. If next step. And this whole thing what we are doing is to be very discreet. Whoever I am cabezzing should know I am cabezzing him or her only, and not someone else. And if whoever is my partner, if he or she wants to dance, again discreetly they say. Or if they don't want to dance, what will they do? That's not discreet at all. What do? You just behave and see him. Whatever you want to do. Okay. What I'm trying to actually tell you is it's about really understanding the smaller nuances of whether we have the chemistry. Does this person even want to dance? And not really stand there, pura she stays no, pura mera izzat utar gaya, like not none of these. I can also get, मैंने पूछा नहीं उससे. दिल को खुश करने के लिए खाती है. I need to ask something. All jokes aside, you really gauge. Now, who is the follower? It's not like you're passive. It's not like what I'll sit here and wait until somebody wants to dance with me. Same thing in dating also. Women are saying, no, I'll ask the guy out, right? Some of the women are asking the men out. But in tango, again, it is very open, but still very traditional. They are not asking followers to not do anything and sit there. Followers do mirada. Like, let's say, I want to dance with him, but not with him. For some reason, I don't like him. Okay? Oh, कितना भी मेरी तरफ देखे हम लड़की को chance हो रही है. You see? Never will I give you a chance. Okay? But if I want to dance with him, every few minutes or something I give. That much only. Like not more than a 3. Like literally if you attend a dating, training or something, that's how it works. So if somebody is interested, oh, he is looking at me, he wants to dance with me, I'm ready. So next time he looks at me, I hold that gauge for a few more seconds so that he knows that I want to be asked. Okay? So I'm actually giving, you can ask me, before he actually asks me. And then he asks by doing the head tilt. Okay? We do 2 head tilts. We do cabezios. One, because when she's sitting there, I'm not even getting up the seat, I'm doing all this. Let's say in the bar, she is sitting somewhere else, I'm at the bar counter as a guy. Okay? Oh, बैठी है वहाँ पे. Oh, I like her. I catch her eye. I say, she says yes. Now the problem is, what if there are 2 of her friends also on that table? Question, who did I ask? Girl 1, girl 2, girl 3. All 3 are thinking, it's me. What do I do? So to avoid the confusion, let's say all 3 are here. Okay? Go. Like this, and now maybe some 3 are sitting behind also. So while when I'm doing cabezio from here, maybe all 3 are thinking I'm asking. Right? So what the follower should do is, they don't get up immediately. They still sit. Because they also don't want to come across as a fool. Now all of them stand up. I take one girl, I come, other 2 are feeling like, what happened to it? You know what? It's all about keeping the grace. It's really, I call it that was done by ladies and gentlemen, not by boys and girls. Okay? Not the age, it's the character. So what I do, one I do the cabezio, I know this is the ROI, this is the range where my partner is. So now I know. One person has said yes, I know, right? I go this side as near as possible, not still in their face. Here I go. Here it's very easy to avoid 2 person and 1 person. Do the second cabezio. Is when she knows or he knows that it was me. Then they get up and we don't speak. We take my partner's hand. Like imagine the traffic is continuously flowing, right? Because dance has already started. Traffic is moving. If I'm taking my car out of the garage and coming out, will somebody come and say, hey, no, wait, Rupa's car is coming, all the traffic, wait. No, the traffic is going. Drivers, what do? How do you get onto the road?
See an opening.
See the opening, you do something else.
Indicate.
है ना? According to you, right? थोड़ा पीछे लेना, थोड़े ये. और this is certain. The Indians are very good at this. I'm telling you. आँख में सब कुछ दिख रहे हैं. So even as a leader, we do capacity